been removed. And derail clear. We are ready to move. Okay then, let's go get our train. Roger that. Let's have a safe run today.